bunch of old jars, mason jars, bowels, Kerr mason, mustard jars. Oh yeah. Huh. Wonder if we should take that. Let's do it. Why not? Let's take that. We got some more junk wire, some painted aluminum, plastic hose with a brass tip on it, some brassy junk, little brassy boys on that bad boy. Some brassy boys. I don't even know where to put this stuff. That's good. That's how it all starts. You just start putting stuff anywhere, and that's how it starts, right? And we got 9 flat boys and 1 pristine can that I need to crush. So let's look at this. Right. Oh yeah, that one's full. They're both full. Speaking of full, 55-gallon barrels there. Yeah. Yep, we had to start another one on that. And I got another trash can that I got flat cans in as well. We got more to crush. Looks like there's some more wires to pull. Some cast aluminum and zinc and die cast things to separate. I'm doing that tomorrow. Oh shit, we're recording. It's recording. Hell. What's up, everybody? Mama Key went out to work this morning. She left at 5:30. I say I probably rolled out about 7-ish. The cart's got a flat, so I just went with the backpack today. And we did pretty good, man. We did pretty good. For starters. So when you're rolling without the go-go cart and backpack only, and you keep passing up all the wires, man, what do? You just start stringing them along, dude. Just start stringing them along there, dudes and dudettes. Anywhere you can get it. Actually, there was an old video where I found an iPad. I can't quite remember the name of it, but it has a busted up iPad on the thumbnail, and it takes this type of charger. I rarely see these anymore. I used to see them all the time, but now they're the the new ones. So I'd pull out my rat nest of wires and I start trimming it away at it, and then I realize I trimmed the wrong thing. I trimmed something I needed, right? So I found one, not just one. I found 2. So it'd be the first step. That iPad's been sitting in a bag of rice. It was wet when I found it, so it's been sitting in a bag of rice for like the last 6 months. And someone told me if it turns on, of course, it will definitely sell. If it turns on. So now I got the charger cords for it. I'm gonna charge that bad boy. This is the stuff I had in my pockets. Then we got the backpack. And she's full. And even the pockets, I got stuff in the pockets too. I'll have to check all the pockets. Let's see what we got there. Let's see what we got in the pocket first. I don't think I put too much in the pocket, but we got some stuff in the pockets. We got wire. Look at that. And we got one of them blades. They don't go back in, but we'll shoot it up with a little WD-40, little safety blade. Man, there's TVs everywhere, all busted up. and people have just been taking the yokes out. So I just come through and I take off the other good stuff. I mean, there's still like wires, plugs on it. They just take the yoke and not cut the cord. You guys is crazy, man. You guys is crazy. But I ain't crazy. I'll take the rest. Even the Grassi cables, but that one's aluminum. That one's aluminum. These boards here, I'll get breakage. I'll get breakage out of the boards as soon as I, of course, as soon as I take off the aluminum and these little copper winding buoys that are easy to extract the wire out of for a copper 2 winding. And then I'll just turn that board in as breakage, and I got a bunch of it already. I got a bunch of breakage already, boards. I don't know why I grabbed this, I just thought it was kind of funny. I'll put it in the garage so I can hang stuff up on it. Oh yeah, I found these shelves, man. These are cool. They're plastic. I found 2 of these. Oh man, these are nice. We'll put those off to the side. More extruded aluminum. More wires. More wires and old sheet. Or maybe I might try to toss that in painted aluminum, because it's 10 cents more. Painted aluminum. More wires. And I don't know if that's extruded. I think that was just formed. I don't think that's extrusions. I think that was just formed from a round bar stock. Put in the press and heated up and pressed, I think. So we'll just put that in the clean aluminum. Oh yeah, we got radio. Man, CD player. Pyramid. Oh yeah, we used to rock Pyramids back in the day. Pyramid back in the day. Uh-huh. What else oh man, now we're getting to the good stuff, Joe Dirt. Well, not this. We got a heavy piece of cast iron and that thing. Okay. Bam. Oh snap, that's the original Xbox. I thought it was a 360. The Simpsons Road Rage. It's in there. Everything's in there. That game wasn't too bad. I remember playing it. I think it was on the PlayStation. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun. So we'll keep that off to the side. I found some new tunes. Let's go through them real quick. Just real quickly. See what we got in here. Lil Wayne. Right off the bat, Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne. Toby Keith. Trey Shags. I don't know. The Empire. Gucci Mane. I never heard of these guys. Machine Gun Kelly. Machine Gun Kelly. Never heard of that guy. DJ Real and RB Vibe. Nope. Never heard of that dude. Young Jeezy. I might have heard of Young Jeezy. Dad's Mix. This is some Dad's Mix. Mario guy. I don't know. CMG. Oh shit. No way. No way. Oh no, I'm thinking of AMG, not CMG. AMG, that was an old school rapper. Man, I never heard of these jokers. Fleetwood Mac. We heard of Fleetwood Mac though. Oh yeah, I like them guys. Gucci Mane again. There's a Gucci Mane. Schwadi Low. Game. I heard of the Game, but never really listened to him. Anyways. I don't even know what that one says. New tunes. And then this. Good stuff. Ta-da. No, just kidding. What is this? Kindle? What is this? A display? Why does it screen like that? Is that a display Kindle? I mean, it's heavy. So there's stuff in there. And then this bad boy. so I didn't even get to see what it was. I just opened it up, and I didn't realize it was cracked because it was so dark out, but what is this thing? It's got 2 buttons on the top. I don't know, some E-Waste goodies. Oh, netbook. A netbook. Oh, I think I got one of them chargers too. That's one of them funky boys. It's one of them funky chargers. Anyways. One more. Oh, one more. Never ending. The never ending spool of capper. Alright, well, let's put all our fines up in this bucket. I'm gonna locate my patches. Which is not in the backpack. Alright, I'm gonna locate the patches and patch up my cart. And it might be the last run. This thing here is just terrible. So this might be the last run for that cart, but no worries, I do have a backup. Y'all can see that. So the rim strip's bad. This dude don't even want to come off of there. It's like, it doesn't even want to come off of there. It's so like rotted on there. Easy fix though. Electrical tape works really well, but I do have this black tape. I'll just have to cut it down. I'll fish my knife out again. So we'll just use this joker. And I'm gonna cut this dude in half and just start wrapping it around the rim. Okay, so we got the strip on there. And check this out. What a perfect hole. What I did is I took my knife and ran a slit in there. And then this thing I found, it just took that knurled in and just made a perfect hole. Hey man, how about that? Okay. Not sure if you all see this. This dude's broken. This is part of that, not that washer, but the thing underneath here. Underneath that washer is part of this. So I dug out the backup, and we're just going to switch out that bar real quick. There's the piece I was talking about. I broke off the other piece. Scrap metal. Let's get this joker off. Watch out for scrap falling. It's gonna plummet. Leggett FMD. My scrap plummet. Did you hear it? Hey. Oh, look at that. Level. Oh man. That's awesome. Oh, dry as a bone. Very good. Now that's a drinker. Dry as a bone. That's how I used to drink my beers. Basically, that's how I drink anything. I get it dry as a bone. 3 flatties. Chuck hole. Yeah. Every time I keep it rolling, I find nothing. As soon as I shut the camera off, we're gonna find something, or something more than just a flat boy. You know. we still got the cord on it. There's another one I see down in there too. Or no, that's the same one. Oh, that's another one down in there. I know that's exciting. I'm putting you up. So exciting. People. Man, you can't leave a bag of clothes out, because people just come through and rip through the bag like it's their dresser. You know, they'll rip through your trash can like it's their dresser, and just throw everything out. Man, it's just. I'll get that cord off of this fan right here. Get that cord off that fan. But yeah, rifling through the trash, and then they're gonna come out and start yelling at me because I want to pick up a can next to the trash can. You know, it's like I don't make the messes, man. I pick them up. I pick up the mess. Let's see, is it dry? Oh, there's a few drops left. He's all right. That dude's all right. Well, this guy F+ and beer drinking, you little joker. Drink your beers, man. Quit throwing your trash on the ground.
Sit, meow mix, sit. Meow. That's a good pussy.